Hi guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do is very simple. Wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat right here. Click on Snapchat and then click on force stop. After you click on force stop, now all what you have to do is click on data usage. Make sure that all these four options are enabled, especially the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and update it. That's it, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.